everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are going to create one more story using the half sentence. As you know, there is a series going on my YouTube channel so that you can check and learn from that videos, and you can easily learn new words and new advanced structures. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create cock and bull story, totally fake story. And in this video we will also learn how to ask some question and answer. And in this video you will be able to learn how to ask question and answer. The thing is, when I talk about the how to ask the question and answer, it means in order to have a communication skills, in order to have a talking to someone, we should have the knowledge how to ask question and answer. So that I am going to show you how you can ask question and answer. That will help you to improve your fluency, and that will improve your English. You can easily learn how to ask question and answer. You can do one thing. I would suggest you. I'm not telling you that you follow my advice, but I can suggest you that you can choose the same question, because randomly we all use the same question in our daily routine, daily life. So I would suggest you try to ask the same question what I am going to talk about in this video, so that you can easily learn how to ask question. When you learn how to ask question, you can easily answer, but you have to learn how to ask question. That is very important for having a conversation. So without any further delay, let's get started. One day I was lying down on the bed. I was reading my book, and out of sudden my phone started ringing. It was my best friend's call. I picked up the call. She said, "Hi Shilpa, how are you?" I said, "I'm fine. How about you?" She said, "I'm also good. Thanks for asking." Then she said, "Hey, did you watch the new movie last night?" I said, "Oh yes, I did. It was quite interesting movie." Then she asked, "What did you like about it?" I said, "Hey, that theater was really engaging and the action scene were quite awesome. I was mesmerized watching this movie." So she said, "Yeah, I also liked it so much. Tell me one thing, which actor did you like best? Did you find the best?" So I said, "I find the best character, the best actor is the main character, the main lead character. I liked it so much. He did their job absolutely perfect." Then she said, "I agree. The storyline kept me hooked whole the time." So I said, "Yes, because it had a good mix of humor and suspense. So I liked it so much, that suspense and humor." Then she asked, "Do you think they will make a sequel?" Then I said that yes, I heard might be one. They will be exciting to see. Then she said, "Definitely. I think they maintain the same level of quality." I said, "Let's hope so." So tell me one thing, do you have any new movie recommendations?" Then she said, "Yes, Gadar 2 just came out and it's getting great reviews. Go and watch." So I said, "Maybe we can watch together the same movie this weekend." Then she said, "Sounds great. Movie nights are look like a fun, very amazing. I would love to watch movie." So she agreed finally. She was over the moon at that time, and I was also overjoyed that she agreed to go to watch that movie. And finally she agreed. She seemed to be overjoyed. I was also over the moon, because we are going to meet after ages. So I was quite excited to meet my best friend after ages. When weekend came, we made our plan. We decided to go the best PVR theater. We went there. We have had enjoyed a lot there, so much. We enjoyed a lot. That movie had a great love song, great scene, great combination, great. It was amazing, totally. So I along with my friend enjoyed a lot that movie. After having fun, we came back our respective home, and then I had my food and slept. So guys, as you saw that how I started my story and how I end up my story finally. So you have to do one thing. If you want to fluent in English, if you want to speak in English, you have to do that the same thing I am telling you, because you should have any topic to speak as much as you can. If you don't have any topic, you can take half sentence and try to speak more and more. Whatever is going on inside your mind, you just have to say it, speak it. Okay, don't think what you are going to think, what you are going to speak. Don't think. Whatever is coming up from your mouth, just try to speak as much as you can. Let me tell you, if you really want to speak fluently, you will have to do the same thing, because if you don't do hard work, if you don't do practice, then who will do? You want to improve your English, then you will have to do the same thing. You will have to do the practice. Okay, if someone speak English, then he will improve his English. Okay, not you. So you will have to do the same thing if you really want to improve your English. If you always say that, ma'am, I don't have any partner, how I can improve my English? Let me tell you, my dear, I also don't have any partner. Okay, let me tell you, I also don't have any partner, but still I am speaking. When we speak, yes, it is possible to make error, to make mistake, but it's okay, don't worry. Making mistake is a necessary, it's a normal, don't worry. Just you need to try to create your story, your own story, and creating the story, you need to ask some question and answer. Try to speak, try to ask some question and answer to yourself. Okay, you can do one thing, you can record yourself if you don't know that how you are speaking wrong or you are right. So you can record yourself. Finally guys, I would suggest you please adopt my advice. What I am telling you, I also do the same thing. You also can see in my videos, I'm doing same thing. I'm not telling you lie that it will not work. Yes, it works. Literally it works. Please believe me. Try to speak. Take any half sentence, any topic, simple topic, and try to speak as much as you can. This will help you to improve your fluency. The thing is, when it comes to speaking English, you run away. You never want to do hard work, but you want to improve your English. Then how it is possible? You tell me. Is it possible? No, you will have to do hard work. You will have to do that. Okay, if you wanna speak English, then you will have to do hard work. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it so much, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new over here, if you are already my subscriber, then I would say welcome to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.